Oh, I saw your question here. You click on that little icon and get this table here. And you're asked probabilities about this two-way table or contingency table. The student is male or received a degree in the field. I just call student is male. I call that M. Received a degree in the field. I call that D. So I'm abbreviating that. P of M or D. This student is male or received a degree. What the formula is, that's P of M plus P of D minus P of M and D. And so P of M is probability of male, and so there's 767,970 males, and then the total would be 1,704,021. So I have that quotient there, plus probability D, degree in the field, so there's a total of 278,750 out of the 1,704,021. That's what I have here. Then minus probability male and received a degree. So probability male and received a degree would be this number here, 157,837 divided by the total. So you work out that arithmetic, and I guess you'll get this number here, 0.522. An alternative way you could have worked this is, just add the, this number, and this number. These three numbers here, because they're males and degrees, and then divided by that total. It'll also give you the same answer. I ran out of room here, but probability is a female or received a degree outside of the field. So you could work it this way here. Probability female or degree outside. Be same formula. Female would be this row. Outside would be this column. Student, probability student's not female. Not female, just same as saying male. So you could just say that's male or received a degree outside the field. So here's males, and here's outside the degree. So I worked out the first one here, put in the calculator, and similar you'd work out these next two. Hope this helps.